Talofa lava, my name is Vaimaila Urale and I'm an artist. This is my solo show, Tatala, which is at Sanderson Contemporary in Auckland. Very exciting for me because it's actually my first exploration into paintings. I've used an A4 format, like if you were to go and write a letter online, you open up a Word document. So I've used that format and 4 symbols, which you can find on any universal keyboard, which is a // greater than less than sign. So with those 4 symbols, and also inspiration from my heritage. So to celebrate and to mark the opening of Tatala, I invited this amazing, wonderful tattooist, Julia Mangi-O'Gray, and she's actually trained in traditional tattoo, which they call, from the homeland of Papua New Guinea. So we've actually done kind of a special little collaboration where I've designed a tattoo, and she is actually giving that to a participant tonight, a wonderful volunteer, Lana Lopesi.
It's beautiful to see my sister come out with these vibrant colours and just with something to say, because I know she draws on a lot of traditional Polynesian, Melanesian art forms, so I'm just so proud of her.
I dig all her work that she does, and I'm a big supporter of her work also, as a brother, as a younger brother, but also as a family member, just to be proud of my sister, just to go, damn sis, you are the bomb.